A greedy mouse saw a basket full of corn. He wanted to eat it, so he made a small hole in the basket. He squeezed in through the hole. He ate a lot of corn. He felt full and was very happy. Now he wanted to come out. He tried to come out through the small hole. He could not. His belly was full. He tried again, but it was of no use. The mouse started crying. A rabbit was passing by. It heard the mouse's cry and asked, "Why are you crying, my friend?" The mouse explained, "I made a small hole and came into the basket to eat the corn. Now I am not able to get out through that hole." The rabbit said, "It is because you ate too much. Wait till your belly shrinks." The rabbit laughed and went away. The mouse fell asleep in the basket. The next morning his belly had shrunk, but he wanted to eat some more corn. He forgot all about getting out of the basket, so he ate the corn and his belly was really big again. After eating, the mouse remembered that he had to escape, but obviously he could not. So he thought, "Oh, now I will go out tomorrow." The cat was the next passerby. He smelled the mouse in the basket. He lifted its lid and ate the mouse.